Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. We are talking meatless. Everybody is going meatless right now. So Chef Ben from Sto-Lat is here to help us out. Chef Ben, what are we making today?
So today I made a very simple Pico de Gallo. We're using avocados, tomatoes, red onion, an orange pepper. If it's, you can get red, you can get whatever color you want, garlic and lime, and a little bit of garlic salt. It's very simple to process, and you can use it throughout the day. You can put it on the avocado like I've shown, and then you can also do it into a like chips and salsa.
Is there a technique? I mean, I know you're like a master at chopping and all that good stuff, but is there a certain way you should chop it or a certain size you should chop it to get a good pico?
Well, you want to think of, when you think of chopping your produce at home, you want to make sure that when you put your spoon into it, you're getting a bite of everything when you do it.
Speaking of spoon and bites.
Spoons and bites.
Chef, while I eat, you have a great story. I think people should hear your story.
I do have a pretty wild story.
Yes, tell us how you got to Buffalo.
So I grew up in Arizona. I ended up in Colorado. I joined the service. I came back from the service. I went to culinary arts school in Colorado, CIA. Shortly after graduating and doing the chef world, I became a Colorado State Trooper. I did that for a little bit, and then I ended up moving to Nebraska, where I retired as a chief of police. The whole time, I'm still cooking because we do like 4 on, 4 off shifts. I was on my way doing some different interviews, and I caught up with an old friend of mine, Andy and Anya. They own Krishiki Bakery, and I came up here to visit them, and they talked me into coming to Buffalo to open Sto-Lat with them.
And let me tell you, I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you're here. It's simple, but it's so delicious. Check it out, wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Close Mentor.